So today we are going to paint an accent wall, and I want to show you how to do it. This wall right behind me, the whole room's been painted one color, and we're going to make this one an accent. Actually, I've already done the one behind me. And we will start off with our Sherwin-Williams paint Promar 200. We're going to use a 2.5 inch angle sash brush, which I've already put in paint. And when you're cutting in, first thing you do, let's pretend we're starting off with a fresh brush. You dip the brush in, pat one side, pat the other side, and you have to use one side of the brush that you want to draw a straight line on. And we're going to take that side and wipe it clean. So then we're going to take our brush to the corner and draw a straight line without using tape. Just like that. Now I've been doing this many years, so maybe I make it look easy, but we're also going to go around our outlet covers, which I've taken the electrical outlets, which I've already taken the covers off. Paint around them so our roller doesn't have to hit and get dirty with all the junk around the edge. And so we are also using Sherwin-Williams 1/2 inch nap, 9 inch roller. That means the nap is 1/2 inch long. It's 9 inches side to side, and it is white woven, so that means that it will not shed very much. It won't shed all the fuzz and hairs off in your wall. So there's our setup. Let's do it. Let's make this wall an accent. Nice music playing outside in the hallway. I like it. Now we will cut in the base, which is the more difficult part, because it requires such a fine line. Got a little bit on the base there, let's wipe it off. Pretty good. Let's do the rest of the base. As you roll paint on the wall, a fine mist of paint will sprinkle down. So I use tape not to draw a straight line, but to shield the base from getting paint sprinkled on it. Now you'll notice as I roll, I do full swipes up and down, not little half swipes, half rolls. Let me show you. So, if you go like this, no. Roll, and do a full pass up and down, somewhat in a W shape. Spread the paint out and then smooth it out. Full strokes up and down. back roll to smooth it all out. Make it even and uniform. We'll be doing a second coat, but this is just the first one. Okay, next we are going to, this is an accent wall that we did earlier. We're going to put a second coat on it. Let's watch that now.